Hey there, I'm a Shahin Kabir. For the past 3 years, I have working in the digital marketing industry, helping business grow their online presence and increase revenue. Today, I want to share my experience and latest specialized skill can help take your brand to the next level. I recently completed the Advanced Digital Marketing course at Freelancer Ruhit Academy. This was not just basic course, it's focus of the most advanced data-driven strategies used in 2026. My expertise now include advanced SEO. I provide full SEO service include one-page SEO, off-page SEO, technical SEO, and e-commerce SEO and local SEO. AI drive SEO. I use the latest AI drive SEO to ensure your website ahead of the competitor and rank high on Google. Paid advance. I specialize in high ROI strategies for Facebook ads, Google ads, and YouTube ads optimization. Social media growth. I help brands boost their visibility through YouTube SEO and social media marketing. With 3 years of heads experience and this advanced certification, I don't just guess. I use provide framework whether you are small local business, a global e-commerce store. I know how to optimize your marketing budget to get the maximum possible return on investment, ROI forecast of result, transparency, and long teamwork. If you are ready to dominate at search result on social, your business with professional advertising style, you can find my content details in the description. Send me DM. Let's grow your business together. Thank you for watching.